Welcome to my new class, Capturing Flowers Beauty, Pansy Orchid in Watercolor. In this class, I'll guide you through the enchanting process of creating a stunning Pansy Orchid watercolor painting from start to finish. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, you find invaluable insights and techniques to enhance your watercolor skills. Hi, I'm Katja, I'm an artist and online teacher. We will begin with tracing the delicate outline of the orchid, ensuring that every detail is captured with precision. As we move through each stage, you will learn the art of the first wash, laying the foundational colors for each petal and the flower's vibrant center. With step-by-step instruction, we will build upon these layers with a second wash, adding depth and dimension to your painting. Finally, we will bring the orchid to life with intricate final details that showcase the beauty and complexity of this remarkable flower. To support your artistic journey, I've included a tracing of the orchid, reference photos of the finished painting, and images of the actual flower in both color and black and white. So join me in this artistic adventure and discover the joy of painting a Pansy Orchid in watercolor. Let's capture the timeless beauty of these exquisite flowers together. So let's get started.